Alrighty, guys, you ain't gonna believe this nonsense. So, the Snake Pit Garage, we make all our own merchandise. And I was over here making a couple of shirts, or not shirts, onesies, for Gracie Ann, who's going to be in the cutest baby contest in Washington County. Make sure you guys go vote. But I was trying to make these little onesies, and machine broke on me. And as you see, the bolt that adjusts the pressure level is completely stripped out. So we come up with a little way to fix this thing. Let me put it all together, and then I'll explain it to you guys. So what I decided to do was I took a flange nut and I ground out one side of the flange and just put a self-tapper in the top of this thing. So that's gonna keep the thing from turning and keep it from lifting up whenever I put this shaft back on it. So let me put that part back together and I'll get with you in a moment. Well, as you see, I got the top part of the press put back together, and now as I turn that knob, you can see it actually lowering it down. That way I could have a tighter press. And here's the best part, folks, because it wouldn't do this. Turn it the other way, and you wouldn't believe it, but it goes up the other direction. So I guess now I'm going to put it back together again, get all the presses on it and my heat source, and I might try to print something and see how it works. Alrighty, as you see it here, I'm going to print out a couple coasters for you guys to check out. But we're going to do some sublimation. I didn't feel like doing more of the Snake Pit logo. I see it way too much as far as printing stuff. So I'm going to do something a little different for myself and make some coasters and show you guys what we do. So I'm going to cut these out and get them painted or taped down to the coasters. And then we'll throw them in the heat press and press them out. I'll get back with you in a minute. Alrighty, you see we got the images reversed. They're taped down on the coasters, setting on the base of the heat press, and then we'll drop our Teflon paper over it. And I gotta let this thing finish heating up. It's got to heat up to, I think, 378. So we're almost there. Give us just a minute. And once it heats up, we'll spin her over there and press these coasters. Alright. The temperature we needed was actually 374 for 30 seconds. So now we'll spin this thing back around, push our tray in, and press that sucker down for about 30 seconds. I'll get back with you when it's time to lift it. Here we go. She's beeping, so we'll lift her up, pull that to the side, and don't worry about them folding up. They always do that. Once they cool, they'll flatten back out. And just like that, some neat little coasters for the house.